Welcome back into the big show. Our bodies are always changing, hopefully for the better, but you may notice those changes seem to be faster as you enter the perimenopause and menopause phase of life.
Oh, we're talking to the ladies out there, and today we have active aging expert Kimberly Ross joining us. So she's behind the brand 3x3 Beauty, and she's got a new product focusing on the skin and the hair. Kim, it's so nice to have you here.
Good to see you.
Good to be back.
I was telling you in the break, I was on a girls' trip 2 weekends ago, and perimenopause was the hot topic. It's like all anybody's talking about. What's going on? What's changing? What are you doing? What are you using? Blah, 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 blah.
I know, and you never think you're going to get to that age where, like, now you're talking about it.
Yes.
Yeah. And a lot of younger women are getting it now for earlier in life. So, okay, so let's talk about what's kind of going on in perimenopause stage and menopause. Our estrogen levels are dropping dramatically. And what that means is everything's changing from collagen production in menopause, which can last about 7-8 years. We can lose up to 30% of our collagen, and then 2% every decade after that. So that's a lot. But another huge thing is hydration.
Yeah.
And that is where I have been on a mission for 2-3 years to find the right product for the dry skin, because it gets so dry. There's like no hydration at all. Anybody who's gone through menopause would say amen. And so I'm about to introduce what I found and discovered. I just want to say, you know, God bless you, Andrea, my manufacturer, because they've been dealing with the best oils, I think, in the world for over 20 years, USA made. And so I was looking for natural and organic, and thank you, Andrea, I found the right manufacturer. So put 12 of these natural and organic oils into one oil.
So it's a blend.
It's a blend
of 12.
of 12.
Wow.
And it is amazing.
And you can use it on your hair and your skin?
Hair and skin everywhere. And it has made a dramatic difference, not only, you know, for me, but I would like to bring my models in now, which they are all good friends
look at
of
all
mine.
the models.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, see,
So
Kim
we're gonna-
uses this as a way to just shout out her cute friends,
Yeah.
which is
No,
great.
seriously,
I love
seriously.
it.
Okay, so Judy has been a good friend for a long time, and she was at class last week. I teach at Lifetime. I'm like, hey, let's do a test on your skin. So this was 6 days ago. She started putting it on her arms. You can see this is the arm she did.
Yeah.
And that, can you see, so up a little bit higher on her forearm up here.
Yeah.
This arm versus this arm. You see like the crepiness?
Can I touch
Oh,
you?
yeah.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
see, feel
Yeah,
that?
you got consent
wow.
first. You got the consent first.
Look
That's
at
good.
her
skin.
buttery arms.
So she, at Super Bowl, she had a party, and 10 of the people were looking at her legs and her arms, and they're like, yeah, that works.
Oh,
so
that's good.
yeah, it's amazing. So just 6 days. Then Stephanie, we were in Naples last year, and we were like commiserating about our dry legs. And I'm like, Stephanie, I'm on a mission. I am going to find the right product for our dry legs. And so I grabbed her, and 6 days or 8 days you used it. We've got before and after shots, and there's a vast difference from the before shot and the after shot. So, and that's just 6 days of using it. So it actually makes your skin look more toned. It starts to firm up. It penetrates deep into the skin.
Yeah.
So it's not sitting on top. But I have to point out immediately that for Tanya and Stephanie, they said, #1, Kim, for us, they both said, clean product. And you
Right.
know my mission with all my products is clean products. So, okay, so Tanya, so 3 weeks ago, she texted me and she said, Kim, she said, I am nuts over this oil. And she went on and on and on in her text. I'm like, hey, we got Twin Cities Live coming up. I said, do a before shot and an after shot. Now look at her legs, the vast difference. You can see some crepiness. That's what happens after menopause. There's just no moisture in our skin to how moisturized, and you can see like the crepiness is gone on the right side on her legs. So again, a humongous difference, and it's because these oils, they're natural oils, they're not going to sit on top of the skin, they're going to go deep and penetrate. So yes, I want you to try
So
it.
how often would you have to do this on a daily basis?
Okay,
Just
so
once a day?
Twice a day. I say morning and night.
And a little goes a long way?
A little goes a long ways, but I'm telling, and there's no scent. So
yeah.
no
That's
scent
nice.
whatsoever.
Oh, wow.
And I'm talking about, you can use it on your face, your neck, your hair. I'll just give you a quick beauty buff here. here, to your legs, everything. So yes, I do advise, and there's instructions that come with it. And then we'll get to the neck cream. So during the day, you know, face and neck with the neck cream. So we'll go through that. But a great beauty buff, because in the bundle today is the lip oil, which is all the same organic and natural products in here. And if I've got a stick up hair, I'm like, I grab this out and I'm just like, get that hair down. Because you know what, ladies, you know what happens with our hair after menopause too. It gets fried and dried because the oil production in our hair follicles, everything changes.
That's probably, you could probably use that even on your cuticles, don't you think?
Oh, that's a good
idea. That's a good idea
I mean,
too.
that's maybe not intended, but like that's an off-label use.
So is that something you get done with your normal shower, doing whatever, and then just put this in afterwards? Like, when would you apply it to your hair?
Okay, good question for the hair, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so a couple different ways, because when Stephanie was on her trip recently, she put it in as a conditioner. I was like, cool. So now I'm using it as my conditioner, but I also put a little conditioner in there too.
Yeah.
But also overnight is great. So saturate the hair. And it's not greasy and oily. I don't even put a cap on. Go to bed and then wash it in the morning, and it just gives you some shine and serious volume when you use it. So
it's really the no scent is very nice.
That's really
I mean, that's a good way to go.
nice.
Okay, let's bust through a couple of other things that you love.
So, you know, a lot of you are already familiar with my neck firming and hydration cream, and that is loaded with natural botanicals and a lot of the ingredients that are going to help maintain your collagen and then also fight the UV rays, which are really what are eating up your collagen. So all natural, no chemicals in any of these products. This is 5-star. Since I introduced it here like a year and a half ago, we have hundreds of reviews. Women love this. So I would say use the oil during the day, and then at night make sure to put the neck cream on the face and the neck, and however you want to use it.
Good.
And then of course we have this lip oil I just talked about, which is amazing because it's the same oil that is in the hair and skin repair.
But just like a nice different way to go about it. And eye cream is
The
great.
eye cream, the hyaluronic acid, which is great for moisturizing, retaining the moisture in your skin, and then the vitamin E, the vitamin D, or C, which these are powerhouse ingredients, vitamin E and vitamin C. Sorry, chicory root, loaded. But you know, you've got all these ingredients on my website, and I dig deep into the ingredients so you can read all about each one of those ingredients. And scooting down here, I introduced this last time, and this is a hydrating face and body. Okay, and that's just, we're out of time. And this is just all loaded.
Good. That's really fun.
Always great stuff.
Thanks for bringing all your cute friends. I hope you get to go to happy hour together. Yay, that's
Love
good.
all the
Kim's
before and
buying.
afters as well. So of course, Kim always comes with a deal for all of us, and today she has outdone herself, and she has two. The first is the Face, Body, and Hair Rejuvenation Beauty Bundle. That's valued at $148. But for the first 175 people who order, you can get it for just $79.
She's also offering a BOGO deal on her hair and skin repair oil. So we posted all those details on TwinCitiesLive.com. I do love a multi-use product.